Here's a Nissan Sentra. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the passenger side door. Now open up the glove box. Now whatever you have in the glove box, take it out because we'll be taking the glove box down. First thing we'll do is get this dampener string that's on the side, get it out of there. It may be a little bit hard, so it may take a couple seconds to get off. Once it's off, it'll just go back in and let it go. Now we need to squish this glove box in from both the sides to get that stopper out of there. And again, this may take some effort as well. So squish it from here and then from the other side and then get it down, and there you go, it's out. Now grab this cover from this side and pull this clip off, and then the other side comes out at an angle just the way I'm showing, and out it comes. That's the filter. Just grab the filter and take it out. Now if you see this arrow, it should be going from top to bottom because the airflow goes from top to bottom. Whoever put this in last time made the mistake. The top side is the dirty side, the bottom side is the clean side, and in our case everything is flipped up. The way it works is outside air comes from the top, all the dirt gets trapped there. Now check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself, and I'm going to put it back in the same orientation as it came out. Get the filter in, slide it in all the way, put this side of the cover in first, let those two tabs go into the slots there, then press this other side down and the clips will engage, and now it's fixed in place. Now that's the dampener string. See how it pulls out? Good. For now, we're going to put the glove box in position, get that dampener string out first, and then put it on the clip and get it in position. And then we'll squish this chopper again and then push it in. Same thing for the other side. Let's check this out. This is working good, and that's it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.